I can tell you all day that I'm smart and that I can do this stuff, but it's even better for me to show you that I can do this.
It's the first time I learned how to make a full game.
I'm actually learning to program and code in JavaScript.
I just really like being in the classroom because I can actually learn how to make the things that are on the phone and actually see like what's inside of it.
Memphis and all over the country, the need for tech talent is growing exponentially. However, our schools are producing less and less. In Memphis, it's especially pronounced because our largest demographics are those who are most underrepresented in computer science. And so, mathematically speaking, we can't ever expect to achieve the prosperity we want as a city if we don't convince more African Americans, Latinos, and girls to consider careers in computer science. My name is Meka Eguekwe. I'm the executive director of CodeCrew. We teach kids to code. We teach kids to write software. So the first step, actually, before they write a line of code, is actually just convince them that they are capable of doing this work. It's a mental shift first. Coding comes second.
And let's run it again. Hi, my name is Malcolm Ford, and I am a senior here at MLK College Prep. This morning, we are in Intro to Computer Programming through CodeCrew. Growing up, I was never the outgoing kind of person. I love to keep to myself, and I was never a sports kind of guy. And so when I learned that, hey, I can make a computer do amazing things, yeah, teach me how to do that. And this is just giving me that good foundation that I will need for college. It's amazing to think that somebody had to sit down, think of the problem that was there, and find a solution and make it. That's what I love about it. It's a problem-solution game, basically.
I mean, I look forward to it. It's better than just sitting in the class learning the same thing every day. It's like you learn something new each day, and nothing's ever the same. It's a challenge, but what's not better than a challenge?
It's just so incredible to see how, when you give someone a little opportunity, they do the rest, right? And I think there's so much fun to be had in tech that people who look like me and sound like me are often excluded from. It's really important that, what we do prepares kids for jobs. And we know that all jobs of the future will be tech jobs in some way or another. But I think what's more important is that we are creating opportunities and potentially setting kids on career paths that are really amazing career paths.
I'm Ariel Thompson and I'm 11 years old. I decided to take this course because I like coding and designing things, and I want to be an engineer when I grow up.
If you look at our trajectory within the last couple of years, given where we started with this one little workshop at the Leicester Community Center and where we are now with so many programs in community centers and so many school programs, with the longest wait list of schools that are just begging us to go to them, what we need to focus on is build a strong organization and continue to grow our capacity just so that we can reach more kids sooner and faster.
In just a few short years, Memphis is going to be on the forefront of computer education, tech ed, inspiring people to move into the cities, companies to move into the city, and we're actually going to be in a position where we have kids coming up the pipeline and they're going to be prepared to tackle those jobs when they come along.
If you like what you hear and you want to support the cause, consider becoming a donor today. Visit codecrew.org.